Whoa! Ever heard of the freaky monkey funk?
No!
Well, I'm blue! This is all funk.
Fuck is that? What the fuck is that? A fucking cat?
I really do like chicken nuggets.
Oh, fuck.
What's his funk?
Man, you think you're all that with a big bat. You bring up your homies. You wanna come bump on me with the tomies. Well, I got a way to play.
Do you like him? We call him Robocop! Whoa! Come on, me!
Okie dokie then.
Wow!
And now for something completely different.
Welcome, you lucky
Fucks.
Oh, fresh Donkey Kong. The outrageous new sci-fi adventure, Jet Force Donkey Kong. Oh. But first, fresh me big monkey. Ooh, rare. That's right, rare. The same guys that brought you disgusting Kong 64. Get it, Funky Kong's disgusting, but woohoo! Now this game is rated T for Fresh Meat. Well, he's Ask Dan, but he's not always Dan. Oh, what can you say?
Fuck.
I need an expansion pack for my butt. Oh, Fresh Meat.